Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. And if you are new, my name is Shantae. In today's video, I am showing you the overview of our refrigerator because I will be cleaning it out. And this is real life situation, how our refrigerator looks at the moment. And you know, if you're working or working parents, you know, you don't have time to do so much stuff to your house. You do it when you have free time. And I had some free time. And by the way, this video was made on Friday. I'm sorry, I'm just not getting it up to you guys today. But I hope you guys enjoy me cleaning out the refrigerator, the before and the after pictures of it and everything. And just sit back and just listen to the great music that I'm about to play for you guys. And I will be in and out of the video just showing you some things that, or telling you some things that I'm doing to the refrigerator. So I will see you guys in a few.
Lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection, and every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. But I will get up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Me smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could have
Right here, I'm showing you that I'm using my all-purpose cleaner, the Cherry Blossom, to clean the refrigerator freezer part out. And guys, let me tell you, if you have not cleaned your refrigerator out, please go ahead and do so. I know this is stuff that we do not want to do, but we have to get it done to keep it clean. But yeah, so I had some time on my hand that day to get it done, so that's what I did, and I feel so much better that now our refrigerator is clean and it smells so good. So yeah, I hope you guys are continuing watching, and I will hop back on in a few.
You wanna ride on my wave just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun, don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it. But you haven't seen anything yet. Now you're just beginning your trip to regrets. You might think you know me, but soon you forget. I'm too insane, and you know it. You got to learn to like me again and again, 'cause I will make you love me again and again. Just when you think you love me, you'll think again, 'cause I will make you hate me again and again. I'll say I'm fine when I'm not, just to mess you up. I won't be home when you want, and I won't pick up. You'll spend your time with your watch, counting down the clock. You'll go insane, and I like it. But you haven't seen all of me yet. Now I'm just beginning your work in progress. You might think you know me, but soon you forget. I'm too insane, and you know it. You got to learn to like me again and again, 'cause I will make you love me again and again. Just when you think you love me, you'll think again, 'cause I will make you hate me again and again. Again and again. Again and again. You wanna ride on my wave just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun, don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it. You got to learn to like me again and again, 'cause I will make you love me again and again. Just when you think you love me, you think again, 'cause I will make you hate me again and again. You got to learn to like me again and again, 'cause I will make you love me again and again. Just when you think you love me, you'll think again, 'cause I will make you hate me again and again. Again and again. Again and again. Again and again. Again and again.
I do want to mention that I did take all the compartments out. I may not have showed that clip, but I took all the compartments out and washed it in the sink, and to get everything real clean thoroughly. Even though I did spray the all-purpose cleaner on there, I went ahead and washed it afterwards. So I did not show that clip. I just want to mention that. So, but right there, I'm showing you how it looks after I have taken everything out, the compartments and everything, the glasses that's in there, taking it out, that it has gotten real clean, and it looks like a brand new refrigerator. So, yeah, keep watching.
Sometimes I love too hard. Sometimes you go tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily, 'cause baby we got chemistry, chemistry. We got something special, but you want the whole world. Cool down, my love, cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me, sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily, 'cause baby we got chemistry. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily, 'cause baby we got chemistry, chemistry.
I also want to mention the containers that you guys will see me putting the water in. I purchased 2 of those at Walmart, and also the butter container. I purchased that at Walmart as well. That helps me out a whole lot to put away my butter and stuff. And I have some egg cartons on the way from Amazon that I purchased, will be in sometime next week. But we are almost at the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end. Please do not leave without subscribing to our channel. We would love to have you. And if you love videos like this, we would love to have you, because we do all types of content on this channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote a phone.